What's the meaning of cayenne? Cayenne. Cayenne.
cayenne, cayenne,
Cayenne is a type of hot chili pepper commonly used in cooking, especially in spicy dishes.
It is named after the Cayenne region in French Guiana.
The pepper has a long, slender shape and is usually red or green in color. It contains capsaicin, which gives it its characteristic spiciness, and has been shown to have various health benefits such as improving digestion, reducing appetite, and relieving pain. Overall, cayenne is a flavorful and versatile ingredient that adds heat and depth to many dishes.